Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla, and if you're new here, welcome. And I am so sorry for my voice. I have been sick for the last few days. I am getting a little better, just a bit congested. So let me tell y'all about today's video. I am organizing under my bathroom sink. I'm organizing my side and my husband's side. There's not a lot to organize, but I did notice that I had some things in there that I did not need anymore or use. So I got rid of some of that. I also will be using Dollar Tree bins. That is the only thing that I am using in this organization. I have some extra Dollar Tree bins, some bins that I got during the springtime. So I will be putting those to use. So this was very inexpensive. And yes, I did have some of these bins, but even if you wanted to go buy them, they're only $1. So yeah, so can't beat that. All right, guys, so let's get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep.
All right, y'all, so excuse my voice again, but let me just explain to y'all what I am doing. I ended up removing everything from underneath my sink. I wiped down the baskets. I got rid of stuff that I didn't use anymore. I found stuff that I didn't know I had. I got rid of some makeup. I wiped down my toothbrush drawer. It was all just, everything just really needed to be wiped down, and I did get rid of stuff, like I said. My husband's side did not require a lot. It was just wiping down. Oh, and this is really funny. My dog kept coming in and out because she wanted me to let her outside. So she kept huffing at me and huffing at me. I finally got up and let her out.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie.
So I have a drawer specific to my girl products, but I also had my travel items in there. So my husband wasn't using one of his drawers, so I decided to put these in a basket and put it in that drawer that he's not using so I can separate them. So all I'll have in one drawer is my girl products and then my travel products.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Y'all, I did not realize how much dried up mascara I had, which was pretty upsetting because some of those tubes cost me about $25 or more. Some of them were just the $5 drugstore ones, but I did have some that I didn't spend a lot of money on, and I totally forgot that they were in there. So this is why decluttering and organizing like this is a good idea. It lets you know what you have and what you don't need and stuff you can get rid of. So I think it's great that I went through all my makeup today.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Hey y'all, I'm so sorry for not talking too much about the video, but like I said, my voice is kind of going. It's a little scratchy at the moment, but I do want to say thank you for watching, and if y'all enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it gave y'all some motivation, and I hope it gave y'all some ideas with what to do with your space.
We'll be young forever. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna trunks full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
I am done. I'm going to show you my husband's side first. So that right there, he doesn't really have much in there, just some shampoo and conditioner. On this side, he doesn't really have anything either. It's just where we store extra toilet paper. And by the way, do not buy that brand of toilet paper. It is horrible. I regret buying that. I actually got that at Sam's Club. So, of course, everything comes in bulk, so we have a lot of it left. But it is bad. And sorry for my voice. I am sick. I have been sick for the last couple of days. So I'll try to make it quick. And then this right here is just the shaving area. Nothing, I really didn't do much there. And this is where he keeps all his deodorants and the dental floss, his toothpaste, all this great stuff. Didn't really do much here. This is mine, of course. Everyone has one of these. I'm a woman, so yes, these are all my products. Then I put some extra soap bars there. And then here I keep my blow dryer, all my flat irons, my curling irons, my wands, everything in this one. I just left it just like this because there's no point really. I just kind of pull everything out, throw it back in, so that's that. This top drawer right here has all my makeup, just kind of threw out, got rid of a lot of mascara, my brushes, foundations, and then my sponges, my beauty blender things, but they're dirty. I definitely need to wash those. And then back here, I just have like my, that's how sick I am. Tweezers and all that great stuff there. Down here is more makeup. So I have blushes and bronzers and eyeshadows. And then back there, it's just all the lipsticks or lip stains or anything lip related is there. And then this bottom one has all my travel stuff. This is my travel bag or shower bag. Razors, cartridges, and then travel items. So I like, for example, here's my, for my contact solution. Then I take these and I have empty bottles and I have toothpaste and toothbrush holders. And in here are just little makeup bags. Some of them I've gotten from Ipsy when I have the subscription. So I just keep those so I can just take that whenever we travel or go anywhere. And then right here, nothing special, just all my shampoo, conditioners, body wash, deodorants, hair products, contact solution, and then I have body sprays. Yes, and then on this side, nothing special here. I kind of organized. I have nail polish and a nail polish remover with the cotton balls in here. I got these at Sam's Club, so of course I have, I think it's 3 in a pack. So I keep those there. Then of course I go to Sam's Club to get my Dove soap. And that's about it. Then we have some sanitizer. That's all. And then my drawer up here, I just kind of reorganized it a little bit. Here's all my contact stuff, my glasses, my toothbrushes or my toothpaste, all that here, hair ties and bobby pins, and then glasses in the bag. And then I also got rid of these. I found these. I can't wear this stuff. I have a sensitivity. I'm very sensitive. I break out really easy. So things like this, I think I've gotten these like in gift sets or something. I can't use things like this. And I think my stepdaughter was asking me if I have some makeup like wipes, and I told her no, but I ended up finding these. So I'll give that to her. Then yeah, these masks I might give to her. I can't wear this. I wish I can. But that would completely just, it would just make my face just completely red. I found these. I'm going to use in the kids' bathrooms for their loofahs. I also found this for the hair, so I might try that when I get in the shower later. And then these I also found that I cannot use, which is sad because this is completely brand new full. I guess I got this last Christmas, but this smells so good. It's coconut. I love coconut, but I can't wear it. And I found this one in there too. I don't even know why I get these things because I cannot. I might can use them just on my hand, but I have to make sure that I don't touch my face. And then I found these, which I'm going to get rid of all this because, like I said, I can't utilize any of it. All right, guys, and that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.